Hello and welcome to my channel, Designed by Josephine and Josee. And today's video is my Dooney and Bourke handbag review video. So this video is part of a brand new series that I'm starting in this channel, which is called Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty. So I will be doing more fashion and style videos and more beauty and makeup videos. And I'm also going to continue to do more tablescape, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home videos as well. But the fashion and style and beauty and makeup videos were requested by my wonderful subscribers, my wonderful friends here on YouTube. So again, I'm starting a brand new series in this channel. It is called Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty. Now, before I get started in today's video and share more details of the Dooney and Bourke handbags, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week in this channel. And if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. So now let me go ahead and share more of the Dooney and Bourke handbags and a review on the handbags as well. Hi everyone, this is Josephine here from Josephine's Timeless Fashion and Beauty, and today's video is my Dooney and Bourke handbag collection video. I am so excited to be sharing with you ladies my Dooney and Bourke handbag collection video. And ladies, this video is all about these handbags that I have right here. These beautiful, elegant, chic, amazing handbags that I have from Dooney and Bourke. I'm definitely open for some collaborations, particularly makeup and fashion collabs. And also, I'll definitely give you a shout out on my videos. And now ladies, let me go ahead and share with you why I took interest in Dooney and Bourke. So, I really wanted to share with you ladies a little bit of my story on why I decided to go ahead and get my, get a few Dooney and Bourke handbags. And a few years ago, I was just, browsing through online, and I was looking for, some new handbags to kind of update my wardrobe a little bit. And I just happened to just fall upon one of the bags, the very first bag that I'm going to go ahead and share with you. I just happened to fall upon this bag, and it was just so beautiful. It was just gorgeous. And I said to myself, I have to definitely get this bag. I have to add this bag to my handbag collection. And ever since then, I started with one, and then all of a sudden now I have 4 Dooney and Bourke handbags. I am planning to get more Dooney and Bourke handbags in the future, and I will be doing a video probably on my Dooney and Bourke handbag wish list. So I'm thinking about doing that maybe in the future, in future videos. So definitely stay tuned for that if you are a Dooney and Bourke handbag fan. So let me go ahead and share with you ladies the very first handbag that I got from Dooney, and it's kind of in the camera frame here, so I'm pretty sure you've actually seen it in the corner, but here it is right here. And this is the zip satchel in, I think is the hydrangea, the pink hydrangea basket weave. I think that's the name of it, but the name is going to be down below in the description box. But here it is right here. So this was my very first Dooney and Bourke handbag, and ladies, ever since then I've just been, adding more Dooneys into my handbag collection. And this really stood out for me because of the fact that it had the flowers on here. And if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while right now, you know that I adore flowers, and I just adore anything that have like a floral print design on it. And this is absolutely gorgeous. They had the pink one, which is this one. They also had the blue and the purple, but I ended up getting the pink because I really wanted to add a handbag. Can't speak to the ladies. A handbag that have a little bit of a pink to it, so I can wear it with my pink outfits. Okay, and this handbag is definitely a statement piece, and it really makes a statement, and it's very, summer, spring appropriate. But knowing me, I'm probably going to be wearing it all throughout the year, and it just looks really, really, really pretty. Particularly around spring and summer, where you could just throw it on. I actually haven't styled this bag yet on Instagram. I'm planning to style it, so you can definitely follow me on Instagram if you're looking for some fashion inspiration and different ways on how you can style your bags. But I absolutely adore this Dooney handbag. So this is the very first one that I got from Dooney and Bourke. Okay, and then here's the bottom, and it also have these beautiful details. The zip is braided, is absolutely gorgeous, and it just looks really pretty. And it has the Dooney and Bourke metal logo here, and it says Dooney and Bourke 1975. I mean, there's just a lot of attention to detail on the Dooney and Bourke handbags. So, of course, after getting that bag, I said to myself, okay, I need to get myself another Dooney bag. So I ended up getting this one. So this one is number 2. And this is like, I would say, a Dooney classic. Oh, and it smells amazing, ladies. It absolutely smells amazing. This is the Dooney and Bourke Florentine Satchel Medium in the color Natural. Okay, so here it is right here. I actually had this bag, I would say, I think since last year. I think it was since last year I've had this bag. And ladies, this bag was actually, besides the first one, this bag is everything, okay? It is everything. It is soft. The Florentine leather is really, really soft, and it ages very, very gracefully. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And all of the details, to the tassels on the side, to the stitching on the handles, is just absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the patina on this bag is just gorgeous. Now, when I first got it, it was a lighter tan color, but it turned out to be this beautiful honey brown, like a light honey brown color. Is just absolutely gorgeous. And what really got my attention with this bag is, of course, the inside, which has like that suede green leather. And it's just, this bag is very luxurious, okay? So as you can see, I mean, it looks really nice. I mean, it held up pretty nice, and that's one of the things that I adore about Dooney and Bourke handbags, is that they hold up pretty well. You can actually have them for many years to come, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So here it is. Okay, here's the bottom, and it is gorgeous. Okay, so that's my second one. Now, my third one is this one. This one is the Florentine satchel, the Dooney and Bourke Florentine satchel in the size medium in the color light taupe. Okay, so here it is. Now it looks gray, and on camera, this also smells amazing as well. Okay, it looked gray on camera, but sometimes it's gray, sometimes it's a light taupe, depending on the color that you style it with, depending on your outfit. So it's really gorgeous. I actually styled this one and the other Florentine satchel on my Instagram. This one right here, I had styled it with a dress that I got from Shein, and I wanted it to be kind of like, you know, boho chic, and so you know, my outfit, and so I added this handbag with the outfit, and it really really pulled the outfit together. The handbag really pulled the outfit together. And then this one right here, I styled it with a dress that I got from Fashion Nova, and it just looks really pretty. Here it is right here. So again, this is the light taupe. This is the Florentine satchel in the color light taupe. Now, I don't know if they make the light taupe anymore. There's a color that's very similar to the light taupe, but again, it's absolutely gorgeous, and it also has the green leather suede inside. And of course, on the natural and on the light taupe, there's also green suede in the tassels as well. I mean, it's just so much attention to detail on this bag, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so the last one is also a satchel, and I think this one is from the Pebble Grain collection that Dooney have. And here it is. I got it in red. Now it also has the tassels, but because this one is from a different collection, it doesn't really have the green leather suede in the inside of the bag. But again, it's just as beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the leather is not as soft as the Florentine. The Florentine is more soft, and it's a little bit more of a the leather is a little bit more of a softer leather. As you can see, it kind of slouches a little bit. But the Pebble Grain, what I notice about this one is more structured. And it's a little bit more of a grainy texture. But it is also absolutely gorgeous as well. And I absolutely adore the contrast of the two colors. So this one was the newest one that I had gotten. And I'm thinking about, you know, getting more Dooneys, okay? Thinking about getting more Dooneys, and so far I have these 4 Dooneys into my handbag collection. I do have other handbags, but there's just something about the Dooneys. They last pretty long, and the leather is really, really good quality, ladies. I would definitely compare these to any luxury designer brand. I mean, I would definitely compare them to any luxury designer brand because of the craftsmanship and because of it's just really good quality. I know they are a little bit expensive, but it's an investment. And they're gonna last you a long, long time. Treating yourself a little bit, you know, definitely get yourself a Dooney and Bourke handbag. They're absolutely gorgeous, they're worth it, and it's just a piece of luxury. I really feel like it's a piece of luxury. And what I'm gonna do is, I'm definitely gonna be doing individual reviews on each of these handbags and a more in-depth review Dooney and Bourke handbag collections that I have collected, okay? So, but I will be doing reviews, more in-depth reviews for each of these handbags if you're thinking about getting them. Okay, ladies? So thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to check out my other videos. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely subscribe if you are into makeup, into fashion, into hair and beauty and all of that. So if you're into all of those things, definitely subscribe to my channel and definitely check out all the links down below. And you can also follow me on Instagram as well if you're looking for some fashion ideas or styling ideas or makeup ideas or inspirations. Definitely follow me on Instagram. Bye-bye. And God bless.